Mahatma Gandhi once said, "It is health that is real wealth, and not pieces of gold and silver." How often we have failed to appreciate good health until we lose it. Every year, billions of dollars are spent on healthcare, yet there seems to be no solution. A frightening 80% of all recorded principal deaths are blood-related diseases. In 2017 alone, 64 people died of cardiovascular diseases every single day, while another 32 deaths are caused by stroke. These sicknesses have remained the leading causes of death globally in the last 15 years. While most people may spend hours to exercise their bodies, eat healthy food, and find time to rest, the key to good health lies in our cardiovascular system, where the stream of life flows. This river of life concept is nothing new, as people living many centuries ago already knew that the life of the flesh is in the blood. Medical scientists are beginning to realize that most of our health issues are directly linked to the blood condition and the circulatory system. MyVantros Integrative Medicine Laser, also known as the IM laser, is our answer to all the worries that we have of these blood-related diseases. Cold laser therapy, combined with laser acupuncture technique, treats and improves a number of health problems that affect millions of people. In our latest enhanced edition, a new magnetic therapy is integrated into the device to make it the world's first health device that enhances blood circulation and restoration of cell functions. According to two researchers, Lars Hoda and Jan Turner, in their book Laser Phototherapy, Clinical Practice and Scientific Background, the low-level laser therapy has been proven to have positive effects on over 80 types of health problems. Testimonials from users over the years have also shown that the therapy is highly effective in promoting the well-being of individuals. How does IM laser work? Using a low power output, the MyVantros IM laser produces a red laser light at a wavelength of 650 nanometers. This is what makes it safe to use. The energy from the laser light stimulates the cytochrome C complex in the mitochondria. This induces an increase in the production of the adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which in turn releases the chemical energy vital for cell health and restoration. The MyVantros IM laser is also integrated with needleless acupuncture, which makes it pain-free, sterile, and easy to use. It utilizes the same laser to work on the Naquan acupuncture point. This helps to activate 361 other acupuncture points throughout the body. The laser acupuncture therapy also stimulates and improves the qi energy flow, as well as increases the electrical conductivity of blood, releasing both nitric oxides and other reactive oxygen species. Blood viscosities are regulated, and the red blood cell's equilibrium is restored. This is what contributes to improved health for the individual. The magnetic therapy increases the electrical conductivity of blood and further enhances blood circulation while reducing blood viscosity. This is the secret behind the way how our MyVantros IM laser works.
I've been having heart problems for more than 20 years, and I have two major vessels that are blocked. And I suffered constantly from shortness of breath, insomnia, and constant migraine. But about a month ago, I started using MyVantros IM laser therapy, and my last test showed that my blood pressure is back to normal. Even my doctors were very surprised with the sudden changes.
我得了糖尿病大概有15年了，每天都要靠药物来控制它，也让我觉得很疲倦。自从我用了冷激光之后，我的糖尿病指数从18降到7。
The MyVantros IM laser has gone through rigorous testing and received numerous accolades. It also received a prestigious award during the 47th International Exhibition of Inventions Geneva in 2019. This video is brought to you by MyVantros.